Hello, this is Doctor063, and today I am going to show people how to use a texture palette in GIMP. Unfortunately, I have ran into a bit of a disturbing week, which is one of the reasons why I haven't been making a lot of videos recently. I'm packing for a trucking job that I will hopefully receive, and my phone is now being a bitch. Okay, first thing to do, we're going to open folder, go straight to document, which I am perfectly comfortable showing you people my thousands of folders, because this computer's gonna end up going straight into a storage locker soon. And then you guys won't have to worry about hearing my squeaky voice. Unfortunately, I say squeaky, but I've ran into some problems. Don't worry, I'm gonna have to edit some shit out. Because I do not want you just people to see half of the shit I have here. As you see right here, here's my folder where I keep a ton of textures in. And this is my texture palette. Now, see what's gonna happen is we're gonna pick a texture that we think would blend the best. And I screwed up and hit the wrong thing. Okay, right there, open as layers, recently used. Right there, carpet number 4. Move that like that. Let's see, the whole point of doing this is to apply a little extra detail for 0 effort involved. And then you just merge that down. And behold! I have now applied extra detail to each and every single one of these chairs. Please leave a like and subscribe if you would like. I will probably be cranking out a whole bunch of these tiny tutorials with shitty audio. Yay!